This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Linda Old. Welcome to Remington Model. This spacious 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home features an open floor plan great for modern living. The great room seamlessly flows into the kitchen, making it an ideal space for entertaining. It's fully equipped with a gas range, dishwasher, microwave, garbage disposal, island, and a pantry for all your culinary needs. The private primary bedroom offers a luxurious ensuite bath with a dual vanity sink, soaking tub, and separate shower for ultimate relaxation. Bathroom 2 is conveniently located between bedrooms 2 and 3. Additional features include a convenient rear-loading 1-car attached garage with an option to make it a 2-car garage. Don't miss your chance to see this beautiful home. We have many models and lots available. January 23, 2025.